أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
This Meccan chapter, which is recited a total of 17 times in the 5 daily prayers, serves as the cornerstone of the Quran, and it is customary to say Ameen at the end. It sums up the relationship between the Creator and His creation, God's undisputed authority in this world and the hereafter, and humanity's constant dependence on Him for guidance and assistance. It identifies God as the Lord of all the worlds, everything from animals and plants to humans, and even angels. The underlying theme is to acknowledge that He is the only God worthy of worship, a simple truth which the disbelievers fail to grasp. All fundamental principles encapsulated in this chapter are spelled out in the rest of the Quran.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. All praise is for Allah, Lord of all worlds, the most compassionate, most merciful, Master of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us along the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not those you are displeased with, or those who are astray.
ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار